we're at Hersheypark and we're going to do the Hersheypark Dark Nights. And we're going to do the haunted houses. It's going to be so much fun.
That's cool. No.
You went to my bees! You stay here forever!
They were popping out because they would go off and on, like nothing else in the world, and it just, and their makeup glowed, but I didn't see that, like not even a little, and they went, and even that, no effort, for just, actually scared me.
Got all this! Let's go, come on!
That big guy? Okay, we're good. Stand here a second.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Taking care of the deal. It's not just in time. Close your eyes.
They like the donuts. Just don't go in the basement. It's a very confusing basement. It connects to the sewer, really. It's questionable zoning practice.
Look at the fork.
really cool because I saw the water where it has like the lights and it's the fog and it looks like water. That's my favorite part. Did it do good?
Yep, this is the crystals one coming. Come on. This one's cool. Look at the wall.
Danger, 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 danger!
You alright?
I recommend coming here because it's awesome. The mine one was so good. One thing I didn't like about the mine one is because the smoke is very strong. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Otherwise, it's pretty good the entire time. And there's also sliders.